This video will cover the management of control panel users. A person with permission to access a nation's control panel is called a control panel user. Only people explicitly given access to the control panel can see the people database, create web pages, send mass communication, or deal with the nation's finances. The amount of information visible can be limited using custom permission sets. Adding control panel users. In the top right corner of the control panel is your profile icon. If you have an image associated with your profile, it will display. Hover over your profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Not everyone who has access to your control panel will see the option to add a control panel user from the drop-down menu. A user must have the Add Control Panel Users or Manage Control Panel Users permission or be a Nation admin. From the drop-down menu, click on Add Control Panel User. A pop-up window will appear. Enter the email address for the user. Select a permission set for the user. Your options will be limited by your level of control panel access. Only Nation administrators can invite users to the admin permission set. Click the Invite User button. An email will be sent to the user inviting them to activate their account. This notification is sent directly from NationBuilder and cannot be edited. The new user will click the Activate Your Account button in this email. Note: the Activate Your Account link only remains active for 24 hours as it's a security risk to have them remain active for long periods of time. Add a permission set by editing a profile. A profile can also be edited to add or change control panel access. In single-person view of a profile, click Edit and Settings. Permission set options will display as a drop-down list on the right side of the profile. Once you set or update the profile's permission set, click Save Person at the bottom of the screen. If you need to remove the permission set, click on the X next to the permission set. We recommend adding control panel users from the top navigation area of the control panel rather than updating profiles. This ensures that new users have the opportunity to set their own passwords. View a control panel user's assignments. To view who all of your control panel users are, go to the People section and click Point People. It's a best practice to routinely audit your control panel users to remove any who shouldn't have access anymore. You will land on the permissions list. These are all the people who have access to your NationBuilder control panel. Click on the arrow to add a person to a list. Hover over the person and click Edit to edit the user. You can click on the number under Assigned to view a list of all the people assigned to this control panel user. You can also click on the Assignments tab to view a comprehensive listing of people assigned to this person by type. For example, prospects, supporters, volunteers, donors, etc. Click on the number under Assigned on this page and any profile that has the control panel user listed as their point person will display. If that control panel user is assigned to a path or a step on a profile, that profile will also display. At the top of this page, using the People dropdown, you may also select Yours, which will display profiles that are assigned to you, or Everyone, which will display all profiles. The toolbar defaults to Everyone. Note that point person assignments are hierarchical. So, if you are the point person of another control panel user, when you view your assigned profiles, you will see both the profiles assigned to you and the profiles assigned to the control panel user you serve as point person for.